friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. So today's video is this month's Apocalyptic Beauty subscription bag unbagging / try on. Just in case you haven't seen these videos before, Apocalyptic Beauty is an indie brand and they also have a subscription service that I believe is $15 a month. Something in that zone, and you get like 4 to 6 products from their brand. It's usually loose shadows, sometimes glitters, liquid lipsticks. I've gotten highlights, blushes. I've gotten all sorts of things from them before. It's a lot of fun. It's always themed around something kind of spooky or Halloween-y or just something more magical-esque, so to speak. I always have a lot of fun with it. I've been subscribed to the subscription for, geez, probably a year and 4 or so months now. It's been quite a while, and I became an affiliate with them about 6 or 7 months ago, I want to guess. And you can use my code beautbean if you want to save 15% off their site. You can't use it on the subscription service, but you can use it on anything else, and it works to save you some money. It's a lot of fun. I really enjoy this brand. I don't get paid to do these videos. I don't get this bag sent for free. I still pay for it myself. And if you do use my code, I don't get actual money. I just get store credit to get things on their site so I can show you guys more things. So it's a lot of fun. It's a win-win for everyone. Whew, lots of talking. I'm going to go through the things in the bag. We're going to talk about them, and then I'm going to create a look with those things. The theme this month, if you couldn't guess by my attire, is Beetlejuice Beauty. When I found out last month that that was going to be this month's theme, I lost my mind, and a lot of you guys did too. A lot of you said, I am signing up right now. I want that theme. I love Beetlejuice. This was my costume last year. This was my wig for my costume. This was my jacket for my costume. I love it. I can't wait to dive into this. The bag this month is just a simple black bag, but I feel like that's appropriate for Tim Burton-y, Beetlejuice kind of vibes, you know, something simple. And we got 4 things this month. We got these little candies that are always in the bag. They're always themed to go with the bag. They're like black and green striped peppermints. They're super cute. Ooh, we got a highlight. Oh wait, I knew that because I checked already. I forgot we got a highlight. I didn't put a highlight on yet, thank goodness. This is in the shade It's Showtime. That's so cute. It's a nice green highlight. I can't wait to see what this looks like. I don't really own any green highlights. We got 2 shadows. One is called Third Time's the Charm, and the other one is called Deo. And finally, the liquid lipstick we got is called Edgar Allan Poe's Daughter. I love that. It's such a deep purple. It's so cute. Let's swatch all these really quick, shall we? All right, so this is the highlight. Let's see what she looks like. Whoa. Holy cow, I can't wait to put that on my face. That's beautiful. Because it literally disappears when it's not hitting the light. That's perfect. Holy cow. I'm excited. I love Apocalyptic Beauty's highlights. What's my favorites? Oh, I can't remember. It's called Polished Bone. That one is the most beautiful, sparkly white highlight. And I also really like, I can't remember, but it's a gold-based one and it's really pretty. But all the highlights I've tried from them are gorgeous. Let's swatch the liquid lipstick because I'm curious. Oh, it looks so cute. I really, really like their liquid lipstick formula. This one seems kind of sheer first off the bat, but the formula is pretty thin, so it's easy to build up if I need to. I like that. We will see what it looks like on the lips though. Let's go over the shadows now. Third Time's the Charm is described as a bright necro green. Cool, cool. Looks like that. The Apocalyptic Beauty shadows do not swatch impressive, especially when it comes to the shimmers. So I'm also going to swatch them over my glitter primer because I've been doing that the last few videos to show you why I highly recommend using a glitter primer with these loose shadows. And this one is Deo. It's described as a glittering seance purple. These are cute descriptions. Oh, these are so pretty. I love, but they're not bad by themselves, but just wait until you see. They can be so much more. Just taking some NYX glitter primer and I'm just gonna rub it on the bottom. I'm gonna dip into the green and the purple so you can see how much more impactful they are when you pack it over a glitter primer. Look at that green, it's so much more just powerful. Dipping into the purple now. Sorry, it's hard to do it when it's facing the camera. Oh, it shows off that sparkle so much more. I don't know how well you can tell on camera, but they're definitely more impactful, more sparkly, more cute, and I'm excited. I don't know what I'm gonna create, but I'm excited to do it. Let's do the highlight really quick. Just gonna dive in with my highlight brush. It's the BH Cosmetics number 4. Holy moly. Look how cool that is. I don't know if I've ever used a cooler highlight. Holy cow, it's so bright. Let's just pop it everywhere. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Holy cow, I'm absolutely dying right now. This is amazing. This is amazing. I'm just gonna pounce my beauty sponge over it because I like to make sure it's all meshed in. Oh, so cute. I'm gonna finish off my face with the setting spray that I actually already own because I bought it. It's the setting spray for the recently deceased. It goes perfect with the theme, but I also just really like the spray. I don't know if it does anything for making my makeup last longer, but I've said before, I don't really get setting sprays with that intention. I get setting sprays to just like affect the dewiness of my skin and just make everything look better. And I love the smell of that one. Ooh, I look like an alien space princess or something. I'm gonna zoom you guys in now, prime my eyes with my Sigma eyeshadow base and Ignite, and we'll get started. Why not? All right, hello, back and closer than ever. So I'm actually gonna dip into my Creepy Cute palette to do crease work because I like to have mattes in the crease and not shimmers. So I'm gonna be using Tombstone for the majority of my crease and then deepen it up with Void, and we will see what happens. I'm gonna dip into Tombstone first with my Morphe R37, just a little bit because these shadows are very pigmented. And I'm just gonna start running that through my crease. I love the Creepy Cute palette. It's such a good one. What are you guys up to? It's Thursday. Today's my day off, but I'm gonna meet Morgan at the salon very soon because I'm having a crisis with my hair. I'm literally this close to chopping it all off, but I'm gonna try to hold out until after the wedding just because obviously you can do whatever you want, but I just do not want to hear people's judgment for me cutting my hair off before the wedding. So I'm just gonna hold out, but I am gonna try to drastically change the color, like a lot, to hopefully appease my mind, but we will see how that goes. I'm just gonna take this little e.l.f. brush, it's the e.l.f. Detail Crease Brush, and dipping into Void, which is the black, just a little bit, because this is an insanely pigmented black. Maybe I'll dip in a little more than that, I was a little too cautious. And I'm just gonna focus this in the outer corner, and then run it a little bit through the crease. But mostly out here, and especially out here on the lower lash line. I'm just gonna take that brush that I used with Tombstone with no additional product just to help blend all this out so that everything lays nice and soft. So I do want it to be a pretty intense, dark outer corner, but we still want it to be flowy. Ooh, I like that. That's very cute. It's very much what I wanted. So now I'm gonna do a half cut crease, but I can't decide. I think I'm gonna do a half cut crease with the green all across the lid, and I wanna pop the purpley shimmer all under my lower lash line. Just because since I am using a purple lip, I feel like we should make the eyes stand out a little bit more green. So I'm gonna take this flat brush and my NYX glitter primer. This is a Spectrum A16. I'm gonna take some of my NYX glitter primer and just tap it all over my eye and just really start creating that cuts. I haven't done a cut crease with concealer in a long time. I've always just used my NYX glitter primer lately. Just gonna dip right into that green and start packing it. Loose shadows are obviously kind of messy, so just take your time. It'd be so cool if this brand eventually came out with pressed shadows. I'd be over the moon, but I don't mind the loose shadows from them. They're so pretty. I can make an exception. I don't even remember how I discovered this brand. I think one of my real life friends actually told me about it. I'm very happy. This green is so cool. The sparkles don't show up too terribly much on the eye, but I really like the color. And I mean, it's behaving really well. It's not doing weird patchy things. Gonna take the brush I used with the black, no additional product, just to lightly buff this outer corner so that it flows from the green to the black nicely. And I mean, that's doing its thing very easily. Quite impressed. This is gonna be a quick video. I have a feeling just because it's going so well. I love this highlight. I can't stop staring at my face. It's so unique and cool. I'm mad that I didn't have this sooner. So now I'm gonna take the purple and I'm gonna use this kind of flat brush. It's a Morphe MB16. I'm gonna take some more glitter primer just because I really like the glitter primer with these shadows, even though I don't usually use glitter primer on my lower lash line. I don't know why. And I'm gonna pop some of that glitter primer just down in the front half. So I don't necessarily want it across my whole lower lash, I just more so want it in the front. Gonna grab some of that purple and start packing it on. Need to watch Beetlejuice tonight, I think. I haven't seen it in a few months. I need to watch it ASAP. I've never shopped on Dolls Kill, but I was looking at their site last night because I've always wanted to try their clothes. I'm just chicken when it comes to online shopping because I'm so scared everything's not going to fit. But they have a dress that's like purple and black vertical stripes and it says like a Tim Burton film on the front. It's so cute and I absolutely need it. Oh, this is cute. I really like this. I think I'm going to highlight my inner corner with the highlight that we got in the box because why not? So I just have that green on this Luxie 121. I'm just going to stamp and swirl that right there. Oh, cute. Stop. I'm crying over here. Ugh, I'm in such a mood right now because I'm so anxious to do my hair. I need a change so bad. I was going to color it really dark red, but I really don't want to. I'm kind of over the reds and pinks. I'm having a crisis. For my waterline, I'm gonna pop in this LA Girl pencil in the shade, what are you called? Paradise Purple. I think that'll be really cute. I'm also gonna do the same thing to the other eye. Throw on my lashes. I will put on that purple lipstick and we'll regroup. I'm so mad. I didn't have my fairy lights turned on at all for the whole video. I don't know. I don't know what to say. This is my final look. What do you guys think? I really like it. The liquid lipstick I did have to apply, I think like 2 or 3 coats to get it this opacity because it's very sheer. It took a little bit of working to get it to this. I do love the color. I do have a lip mask underneath, but I can definitely feel that there's product on my lips because of how many layers I had to do. So I don't know if I would reach for this lipstick again just because it's a little more work than I'd like to put on a lip product. Otherwise, I love the color. I love this highlight. Again, I'm mad that I didn't already own it. I really like my eye look. They killed it with the theme this month. I'm so excited about it. Definitely one of my favorite bags. For sure my favorite theme, of course. I love Beetlejuice. I really hope they do more Tim Burton-y themed bags in the future. That would make me so happy. Please give me more spooky stuff. That's all I'm asking. I love the eyeshadow. I think they performed beautifully. It didn't take too much work, but the highlight for sure was the star of the show. I'm obsessed with it. I hope that highlight becomes a permanent thing in their collection because if you need a good green highlight, this is the one for sure. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this Apocalyptic Beauty video. Next month's theme is Glamour Ghoul. Ooh, that sounds good. Sounds like a good one for October. We'll do something maybe ghostly. I don't know. I have no idea what it's gonna be, but I'm excited. I hope there's a really pretty glitter in it. I'm so about their glitters. I get so excited when they include a glitter in their bags. But what did you guys think? Did you guys get this bag? Are you subscribed to this service? I would love to chat with you guys. I've had people in the past complain that they get this bag and then they don't like the loose shadows. I really don't know what you expected. If you've seen my videos, you know that there's always loose shadows. That's just how it is. I don't know what to say. If you're not a loose shadow person at all, do not subscribe to this bag. But if you don't mind the loose shadows and you want a fun curated bag, this is a fun bag. I'm not saying you have to have it. You could even just watch these just for the hell of it. I don't care if you subscribe or not, honestly. It's just fun. And don't subscribe to it and then get mad that there's loose shadows is all I'm saying. Because they're always there. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's beautbean. Follow me there. I post every single day, and don't forget to subscribe. I post most days here as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.